Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. From here we will go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We are going to start the construction by selecting the top plane. So from here we are going to select the exit plane. You can see this will be the top view. Rotate this view. Now here take the rectangle command. We are going to take the 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make a rectangle profile. Now go to dimension. We are going to define this width as 750. Okay. And here zoom out. Define this height as 750. Okay. Now go to finish sketch. And here we are going to extrude this profile. Go to extrude. Take here extrude of 75 mm and press OK. Okay. Now we are going to make the corner rounds. So go to fillet command. Here we are going to take a fillet radius of 80 mm. Go to edge selection. Select this edge. Select this edge. Here select this edge and select this edge. Now press OK. So this is all round corners. Now here select this face. Go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Take the circle command. And at center point of this fillet we are going to construct 75 dia circle. Okay, I have defined the first diameter. Now I'll make the random circles. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, now escape. Now go to equal constraint. We are going to make all the 4 circles equal to each other. So select this and press Ctrl. Select this and this. Now escape. Now all the 4 circles are of equal dia 75 mm. Now finish sketch. Take extrude command. Select all the 4 profiles. Flip the direction to cut. And here you can take 75 mm or from here you can take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now when I rotate this profile, you can see this is a through cut. Now go to home. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here take circle of diameter. Select this center point. Make a diameter of 500. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now here take extrude command. Take extrude of 500 mm and press OK. Okay. So this will be the top end. Now I want to make a flange profile. So here we are going to construct this flange profile now. For that, go to plane. Select this face, or from here go to offset from plane. Select this face. Take offset of minus 100 mm. So the plane will shift downwards. Press OK. Now select this plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. Make a circle here of diameter 200. From same center point, make diameter 100. Okay. Now go to line command and here select this edge and select this edge. Similarly, select this edge and select this edge. Make a center line as well. Okay. Now escape. Now go to vertical view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Select this. Go to sketch and make it construction geometry. Okay, from here we will change it to construction geometry. Now go to tangent constraint. Select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Okay. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this center point and select this center point. Okay. We will undo this. Okay. First, go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. Okay. Now we are going to give tangent constraint. Select this line and select this. Okay, they are already tangent, select this and select this. Escape. Now, but I think there is some error. So select this line, delete. Select line command once again and make one more line. Okay. It was selecting the edge. So that's why we are unable to make it tangent. Now take tangent command, select this line and select this profile. Now you can see the tangent constraint. Escape. Now here go to dimension. Define the dimension here as 440 mm and escape. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint, select this and select this. So now select this line, select this circle. Now you can see the color is changed and here you can see fully constrained sketch. Escape. Now here I want the same profile this side as well. Select this, make it construction. Now go to mirror command, select this all profiles, go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Okay. Now we are going to make the joining profile between these two. Take arc command and select 3-point arc. Select this point and here select this and place it over here. Similarly, select this and select this and place it over here and escape. Okay. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select this middle profile. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. We are taking this middle profile and here we are going to take extrude of 100 mm. Okay. And here we are going to select symmetric extrude. Okay. Now you can see symmetric extrude. Press OK. Go to extrude 4, select sketch 4, turn on the visibility. Okay. Now here take extrude command. Now select the circular profile and select the circle. Okay. Here take symmetric constraint and take extrude of 130 mm. Okay. And press OK. Now we want to hide this sketch. Select this, click on hide and here select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here we are going to cut a diameter. So take a circle command, select the center point, make a diameter of 385 mm. Go to 3D model, take extrude and here flip the direction. So it will be a cut profile and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, you can take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, define the center from this base at 190 mm. Okay. Go to vertical constraint, select this center point and select this center. Go to the circle command now. From this center, make a diameter of 180 mm. Okay. Escape. Select coincident constraint. Select this edge and select this circle. So it will cover the circular profile. Now go to trim. Here take trim command. Trim this. Okay. And escape. Now go to 3D model. Take extrude. Select these profiles. Flip the direction. And here we will take 2 next. So it will merge till this profile. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command and at center point of this make a circle of diameter 85 mm. Finish sketch and here take extrude, flip the direction and rotate this profile. We are going to drag this till the center and press OK. Okay. Now you can see the cut profile. I want this same profile this side as well. So from here we are going to select mirror, select extrude 7 and extrude 8, go to mirror plane, go to origin, and we are going to select the XY plane, rotate the profile. You can see the same profile is generated, press OK. Now here go to home. Now we are going to take a fillet, here of 20 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, select this, rotate, select this edge, select this and select this, rotate, select this corner, select this corner, rotate, OK. Now press OK. So this will be the complete profile. Now from here you can take any color. I have taken a canary. Okay, you can take any as you want. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.